Hi, kindergartners. I'm here in the classroom, missing you a lot, and I thought maybe we could sing a few of our letter sounds. Let's start with F, shall we? Here we go. F, F, this is the letter F. Every letter makes a sound, and F says why don't we try P? Here we go. P, P, this is the letter P. Every letter makes a sound and P says P. All right, boys and girls, when you did the letter F, did you remember to flutter your arms like you were flying and make that F sound? And when you did the letter P, did you pop like some popcorn? I hope you're trying this at home. Bye-bye.